What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I said it in my previous videos, and here it is already happening. Third day of the year, new year 2023. Said in my previous videos, I have this gut feeling that 2023 will be a great year for stocks, crypto, Chronos, and Tectonic. Guys, as you guys can see, we are up a bit in the green, up just under 2%, $9.2 million in market cap for Tonic, 200k in trade volume, up 148%. A lot of people are scooping up their Tonic. They're like, yo, I gotta start scooping. You know, we had on the 7th day, we had this nice little pop to the upside, and the reason for this we'll break down in this video, guys. Tonic fam, thank you guys so much for the support. Remember, when you watch, you have to watch my videos all the way through. And I bring this information to you guys, it all correlates some way, somehow, okay? Remember, everything ties in. Everything in the market, stocks, crypto, they are super correlated, right? So when I give this information to you guys, you have to watch until the end. We're gonna break down why we had this nice little move to the upside in Tonic in this video. But before we get into that, meme coin daily, 1,350 subscribers. If you hold Tonic, you're part of the Tonic fam, Crow fam. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out and gets these videos out to more and more new people to let them know about the project. This is like free marketing for the project. I see, like I said in my previous videos, there are few people that are, you know, getting into Tonic, knowing about Tonic because of my videos. So please be sure to show that support, Tonic fam. And now let's head over to the Tonic Twitter, tectonic.crow, 54,200 followers. And I said it, like I said it before in my previous video. I said the next tweet we'll get from Tonic is what type of plans, or maybe some type of, you know, information or news of what they have for 2023, what they have planned for 2023. And we have a tweet from the official Tectonic Twitter. Good morning, Tectonians. Something new is coming. Something new is on its way. It is incoming. Some huge type of news announcement. I have no idea what it could be. It could be an exchange listing, it could be a burn, it could be a utility being unveiled, it could be a marketing campaign, it could be anything. But something new is coming, and I know it's gonna be huge, okay? I know it's gonna snap. And the Tonic community out and active, 504 likes, 141 retweets. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think could be happening for Tonic. What is the something new that is coming, guys? What is gonna be playing out for Tonic this year, man? And that's why we had this nice little pop to the upside for Tonic. People are like, whoa, is it moon time? I don't want to miss moon time. I gotta start accumulating right now before it blows, you know, Tonic blows everything out of the water, right? What y'all think it is? Man, there's a number of things. Listing or burning. Could be a listing or burning from Make Life Great. Oscar Ramos, yes, let's go Tectonic. Hey, let's go, let's take over, can't wait. Sounds explosive. Come now, let's hear it from Crypto Lounge. Yeah, okay, what's that? Let's go. Moon, exchange listing, burns, decreased dilution, combination of all three. Price will go to another dimension from TK, guys. Now it could be the exchange listing, which would be great. More exchange listings the better. More trade volume, more people getting into Tonic, making it much more easily accessed to, you know, other investors. Burns, which reduces the supply of Tonic, supply squeeze. More demand, less supply equals, you know, absolutely, you know, price going to another dimension. Decreased dilution, which is also great, or a combination of all three. Now this is something, you know, I like to see. I like where TK's mind is at in this tweet, guys, in this tweet reply, could be something super bullish, man. I am very interested to see what it's gonna be. If Tectonic has 1 million fans, I have one of them. If Tectonic has 10 fans, I am one of them. If Tectonic has one fan, it is me. If Tectonic has no fans, it means I am no longer on this earth. If the world is against Tectonic, I am against the world. From Winter Sky. I think that's a meme type of tweet that's going around. It's super funny. Can't just say that, then nothing for weeks. I mean, whenever it gets unveiled, it gets unveiled, Mr. C. That's how updates and news should be for a project, you know. Like, when they have something ready and prepared, we let you know, and then eventually we release it. That's how it should be, you know. Dev's gonna sell more millions. Okay, somebody not having much faith. More coins in circulation again. We can't wait. Burning half the supply. Imagine. Burning half the supply. Whoa, that would be crazy, man. But you know, maybe a bit too extreme. Say what? The excitement is overwhelming. It better be good. Hints. Don't tease me. Excited to grow in 2023. I said, man, 2023 feels like an extremely bullish year for, it's gonna be an extremely bullish year for crypto, and Tonic is gonna be extremely bullish as well. And right off the bat, the Tonic team already has exciting news that is planned. Tectonic new exchange listing could be one of those things. Let's be more active this year for sure. I am a proud owner. Don't let me down. I am now a proud owner. Don't let me down. Trust me, we are patiently waiting. Let's go. Looking forward to see what it is. It's been a year. What you gonna do? Hey, ready to be an ambassador already? Hey, they got a lot of replies. Whoa, the Tonic community is out and active, man. Look at all these replies. I was saying I'm gonna go through just some of the replies, but there's a ton of replies. Tectonic to the moon. Let's LFG. Sweet. Let's go Tectonic. Man, patiently waiting. Something profitable for a burn, hopefully. If we're getting a that's going to make us fly. A burn mechanism would be nice. That's great news. Man, I'm telling you guys, man, it is absolutely insane what is gonna happen for Tonic in the future. You know, the team is gonna, you know, absolutely go bonkers as they keep developing the project, and something new is coming, y'all. You know, what could it be? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. So all in all, great stuff for Tonic. It's great to see that the team is still building and developing. We're still in the bear market, but like I said, I do feel that 2023 will be bullish for Tonic, and you know, we're gonna see what happens, y'all. We're gonna see what goes down, and it's very exciting. I have a tweet right here from Re6. Borrow and supply APY has increased dramatically. So after the announcement from Tonic, the borrow and supply APY has increased. That's very interesting stuff, guys. Okay, he's keeping an eye out on that. What could this mean for Tonic? More people getting into the protocol, using the protocol because of the news that is potentially incoming for Tonic. We'll see what happens. And let's take a look at also the broader markets. Where could we see Bitcoin? Like I always say, guys, it all correlates. So if Bitcoin goes crazy to the upside, because it is the lead market mover, expect Tonic to go absolutely bonkers as well. Chronos, Tonic, a bunch of altcoins, guys. It's gonna be crazy. Bitcoin is starting, this is from Reezy, Bitcoin is starting to form a similar megaphone wedge pattern than the Dow Jones in 1915 to 1932. Wow, that is crazy. So patterns like the Dow Jones back all the way in 1915 to 1932. According to this pattern, the future of BTC is Jan 24, 80k, 25th, 14k, July 28, 180k, 2 million. What? This is crazy. Do you think that is realistic? Discuss. So moving up Okay, so from January 2024, he's expecting a 80k Bitcoin, and going into, like, you know, the future, we could potentially see a $2 million Bitcoin. This is why it's called investing. This is why it's called investing, guys. This is why you have to be patient. A lot of people are expecting, you know, the huge move to the upside for BTC is gonna be from this year going into 2024, because the halving is about to take place next year. And like I've been saying in my previous videos, there's going to be a move to the upside before the halving takes place. It's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, because every previous halving that we've seen for Bitcoin, every previous halving, the move to the upside started before the halving took place, and then after the halving took place, that's when we started to see the retrace, right? So going into 2024, next year, January, we could see a 80k Bitcoin. Imagine what Tonic's price would be at with an 80k Bitcoin. 1 year, guys, 1 year, and you could see life-changing wealth. Like an 80k Bitcoin could be, you know, you might see $1 billion Tonic, a $2 billion Tonic, guys. Who knows, right? Especially with future catalysts that could come out with the team as well. Who knows what could happen? But this is very interesting stuff to see. We also have another tweet from James Choi. Inflation is dead for now. As you guys can see, inflation was on its all-time high run, and then it looked like it really did peak, and now it's starting to come down, which is very bullish for this year. Remember guys, the only reason markets are so terrible like this, projects like Tonic took a huge hit because we're in a bear market and the Fed decided to raise interest rates so high so fast, right? Now, because of inflation, now it looks like inflation is starting to come down. When the Fed puts a pause on interest rates, we could see super bullish moves in the market, and then you see Tonic start, you know, making even bigger moves to the upside. This is why I said the team will have to be strategic on when they release their news, because when the market starts turning bullish, that's when you drop some news, some catalyst, right? Because that just gives it a added moves to the upside. The market is already bullish, you drop some crazy news, even more price action to the parabolic moves to the upside for Tonic, right? So this is very great to see inflation looking like it's coming down, and then we could go into deflation. And then one last chart right here for you guys. BTC versus DXY 2022 looks most like 2014. All roads lead to 2025. So he's saying right here that we have huge moves to the upside going into 2025. So as you guys can see right here from the chart, we'll start to see Bitcoin outperforming, going upwards, while the DXY is going downwards right here on the trend, going in a trend to new all-time highs, more than likely. So guys, it's gonna be very interesting. So Tonic fam, we're up 2% now. Tonic fam, hey, 2023 is looking super bullish. Don't miss out on these opportunities while you guys have them. Who knows what the Tonic team has planned? We will see when they unveil that. And you know, really love covering the project. Can't wait to see what happens in the future. And I know this is one of those plays that could have huge potential upside in the future. So Tonic fam, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. If you made it to this part of the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me know what you think as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.